The all-new Expedition was designed not only to get families where they need to go, but also to be a fundamental part of the experience once they arrive. Expedition Active, King Ranch and Platinum include a standard 3.5-litre EcoBoost V6 engine rated at 400 horsepower and 480 pound-feet of torque. A high-output 3.5-litre EcoBoost with 440 horsepower and 510 pound-feet of torque is standard for the all-new Tremor and available for Platinum. With cargo management as a priority, the new Ford Splitgate makes every Expedition the only vehicle in its Class 2 that combines the best of a traditional SUV liftgate with the cargo management of a pickup truck tailgate. 3/4 of the gate raises like a traditional liftgate, while the lower quarter folds down like a truck's tailgate. It was designed to not only get customers to where they need to go, but to be the center of the experience once they arrive, said Jill Doherty, Ford Expedition exterior designer. Our goal was to enable customers to linger longer whether they are at the stadium or the campsite. The tailgate has the muscle to support up to 500 pounds and includes an available seatback from the available cargo tailgate manager. The seatback also transforms to turn the tailgate into a serving table, and power outlets in the cargo area are just an arm's length away. Accessing the cargo area has never been easier. If your hands are full, stand near the back of the vehicle for a few seconds with the key fob in your pocket, and the Ford Splitgate automatically opens thanks to available open-on approach. Storage and cargo management access is also easier for passengers in the first and second rows. With the press of a button, a driver can easily slide the available new flex-powered console back nearly 8 inches, opening a secure place in front to store a bag, purse or other valuables, and giving second-row passengers easier access to a console with audio and climate controls and cup holders. Hauling long objects such as skis, fishing rods, or lumber doesn't have to compromise seating for 6, thanks to the available new third-row flexible seating. The middle of the rear bench seat folds down independently to open a long center aisle that extends from the Splitgate clear to the front center console to help customers manage their cargo and people-moving needs. And the fun doesn't have to end when the sun goes down, thanks to available exterior zone lighting. For lighting zones surround the exterior of the vehicle to provide ample lighting for the tailgate, campsite, and everything else in between. Control of the zone lighting system, including the ability to select specific zones around the vehicle, can be accessed in the vehicle's redesigned infotainment system.
Photos like that. You see?
What do you have there?
Oh, look at that is Lulu.